Hey guys, quick video if you are working on a Range Rover Sport or Jaguar or any type of SUV with a composite one-piece tailgate. It is a little bit extra work. So you'll have to remove the spoiler, and you'll notice that the wiring over here, there's a rubber grommet, but it ends and then they just tape it. So what we do is we come through and we loom it to protect the wire, retape it, reseal everything, and we make sure any openings are where water wouldn't feed in, and we make sure we keep all of these seals intact. What that allows us to do is come into the tailgate and run our camera wherever we see fit, keeping it nice and clean. Things you have to factor in is you have to stay away from the deployment area of the airbag, so we run everything up higher in the headliner, and we run everything inside of the factory boots. And here you can see our front camera. And we'd like to put the mounts inside the dot matrix. This keeps it looking clean from the outside. This is just our preference. And we make sure that we stay away from any lane departure cameras.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah, my family.